Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online using Getresponse. Well, lately a lot of people are losing jobs, a lot of people are being frustrated with many things regarding to finances, guys. Well, thanks God, because the internet now you can easily make money with less effort. So using this method, by using Getresponse, you can also make money, pretty decent money online. So it's very easy. Basically, we will spend 34 cents per day to start your own email automation. Well, GetResponse is an email marketing automation tool that you're gonna help you to send emails to different people so that they can know your own offer. Because if they don't know your offer, they can't buy from you. So they need to know your offer. So you can go to GetResponse, which is the first step, right? Sign up to GetResponse to the basic plan. Use the basic plan, which is you will not spend too much money for starting out, okay? We spend just $10.46 per month, right? And you have a list size of about 1,000 people to use your own, to put on your list. So and you can use email marketing, autoresponders, you can use landing pages, sales funnels, lead funnels, Facebook ads inside Getresponse, which I have another video on my channel. If you want to see, just check it out. And you can sell e-products. You can also connect your own Stripe account here and sell directly using just Getresponse. You don't need a website, which means it is a very good deal. It's like you have all the things inside in just one platform away in just a few minutes. This is the first step. Now the second step, you're gonna use an affiliate network to start using or promoting your products. Okay, so you can use ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. In this video, I'm going to show you using Warrior Plus because ClickBank is kind of losing already traction, and a lot of people are losing a little bit interest using ClickBank because their products sometimes they are not like being updated daily or something like that. But with Warrior Plus, there are new affiliate programs. You have a lot of more and more programs that you're gonna also use, and they also offer you a lot of data that you can decide to promote all those products. Now, let's say you open your account today on Royal Plus, and then you click here on affiliate, and then affiliate you click here to offers. Okay, offers. When you click on offers, you're gonna see this page here. You're gonna see all the best offers right now. Now, my advice to you is that you can really take advantage for that. You're gonna see the pages they offer you. I love this tab here, conversion rate. You see this page. This one is only 13% conversion rate. This one is 9%. This one 18, and so on. You can select the one that you gonna fit best for you, but for me it's like needs to go higher than just, let's say, 10%. Okay, higher than 10%. You can start it out because you are just trying to promote it right now. Let's say this one 23%. Okay, 23%, and then you click here request, and then I'm gonna open this page so that you can request to the owner that you want to promote his own products, and then you click here request approval. And when you click here, you select any notes, say I would like to promote your offer, and so on, and then click here request offer. And when they accept you, you're going to receive an email that you will be accepted to promote this product, and you're going to receive your own personal link to promote. Now we have our offers, how we can get our own emails. Now to get your emails, you can visit DripScript. DripScript is a website where you're gonna find a lot of amazing converting email sequence so that you can also pass over to your Getresponse and create your own personalized emails to send to your customers. So you don't spend a lot of time writing all along. We need to write emails sequence to many people. You see, all things here is done for you. Okay, or everything here is done for you, which is awesome. And you can scroll down. It's very easy. You just open your account, pick a template. You can pick a template for let's say e-commerce, for webinar, and so on. Okay, and then you click there, you download the template, download it directly from there to your Getresponse, or just copy the test. Okay, it's also very easy. Now you have that, and then when you have that, you can now, the next step, you need to, we have, let's say we have already our Getresponse account, and we have also our product, we our products to promote, and then we have our script also to send to different customers. Then you need traffic. Well, traffic is one of the big things to do or to get, to be very careful. Which one is perfect for your own products? You can use Facebook groups, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, solo ads, Instagram influencer, and so on. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram, because I have expertise on Instagram. I have many accounts on Instagram, so I can pretty myself see which one is going to be perfect for you guys, how you can also select that to get a good conversion rate. Now, you can, for instance, let's say we selected this one that is about making money online, right? Making money online, and we got our offer and everything is doing well. Now, if you are using like making money online also to promote to people so that they can, let's say, opting in to your own products, you can go to Instagram and go to find accounts like into trading. People that are into trading, they want to make money online. Open this account. I need to see if this account they are doing well on Instagram. If they are not, if they are losing followers, if they are gaining followers, if they have a fake followers and stuff like that, so that you don't lose your money. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is clicking on the page. You will see, scroll down to see if the comments are really real or just people like comment faking. As you may see here, a lot of fake comments, and you get the likes. You need to see, normally these accounts, they get a lot of fake comments, but don't worry, this is just what happens on this making money online. You need to see a lot of people here, they need to be real. Click on the link, see what they are doing, what if they are posting. This one, okay, got a 89 posts, it looks real, and so on. And then the other thing you can do is going to select this account. Let's say get this name here of this account, and then you go to Social Blade. You select here Instagram, okay, Instagram, and then you click the name of the account here, the name of the account, and then let it search, because Social Blade, they need to gather all the information of this account so that you can see if this account is proper for you or if this account is losing followers. If they are losing followers, please don't even bother to send them a DM to promote your own products. Now, let's say they have a 1% conversion rate, which is not that best, let's say, because normally account on this range between 100 and 500, they tends to get less followers. Okay, so it's not that bad, let's say, but it's not best too. So let's say they are not losing followers, they have like 8,000 followers per month. And also the other thing that you need to see is how is the graphic here. If they are gaining follower fast and then losing follower fast, or everything is going smooth, everything is going fine. Let's say the more they post, also normally the more they gain followers. Okay, you may see here that the more they are posting, and also they are getting followers, not much, which means they are not making a good improvement on their accounts, but they are doing let's say good, not best, good. So this account is not bad for you. You can use it then to promote your own also products on here. You just click here, follow them, and send them a DM. Hey guys, I would like to promote my own products on your accounts. Are you willing to promote? How much is your promotion? How much your promo rates? Normally they also understand this language already, and then here we're gonna to reply you with the right information, which is also very easy, guys. So this is it, and if you want to try it out, every link is in the descriptions. And if you like this video, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you have any question, please leave the question on the comments below. I'm gonna be here to reply to you and help you out in everything that you want to. Thank you for that. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I see you on the next video.